Hey there and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play On the Loose by Niall Horan. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are A minor, D minor, F major, and G major. If you know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So our first chord for this song is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord we're going to learn to play is D minor. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your second finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This is D minor. The next chord we're going to learn is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and then take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. And our last chord for this song is G major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this song. It's just going to be A minor for 4 beats, D minor for 4 beats, F major for 4 beats, and G major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this song. It's just going to be down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the A minor chord. Down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. 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 And now let's apply the chord progression with the strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through On the Loose. I know what she's like, she's out of her mind and wraps herself around the truth. She'll jump on that flight and meet you that night and make you tear up the room. She loves when everybody's watching. She knows the way her body moves. She loves the way they all crawl back when she says that she loves nobody else but you. She's on the loose. She's on the loose. She's on the loose. She's on the loose. Now if you want to play through the rest of that song, then go down to my description box below and click on the link to access the chord chart. And that's how you play On the Loose by Niall Horan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Don't forget to subscribe and keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.